Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to log into your Patreon creator account. Following these steps will help you access your account safely to manage your content, patrons, and earnings. Step 1. Go to the Patreon login page. Open your browser and visit patreon.com/login. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Patreon creator account and click Continue. Step 3. Enter your password carefully. If you forgot it, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 4. Complete two-factor authentication if enabled. If you have 2FA enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app to verify your identity. Step 5. Access your creator's dashboard. Once logged in, you can access your creator's dashboard to manage posts, rewards, patrons, and account settings. For more helpful Patreon tips and tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.